Have you ever wanted to learn about AI but found it intimidating? Fear not, as we're here to simplify everything for you. Welcome to this AI full course for beginners, where we break down the complex world of artificial intelligence into bite-sized and comprehensible pieces. Let's embark on this journey by understanding the basics. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. It is all about enabling machines to think and learn like us humans. Now that you know what AI is, it's time to delve into the different types of AI. It's fascinating to know that AI is not just one size fits all. There's narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition. Then, there's general or strong AI that has the potential to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Moving on, a significant part of AI is machine learning. It's a technique where computers learn from data, and they get better at their tasks over time. In simple terms, it's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make decisions based on those patterns. Next up, we have deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. It's the secret sauce behind many AI applications today, from image recognition to speech recognition. Deep learning is based on artificial neural networks which are inspired by the human brain. Now let's discuss some resources to help you continue your AI journey. You can find comprehensive AI courses for beginners on websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity. There are also excellent AI books like Artificial Intelligence, A Guide to Intelligent Systems, and Artificial Intelligence, Foundations of Computational Agents. YouTube tutorials like ours are another great resource. Don't forget to join AI forums and communities to connect with fellow learners. And lastly, get hands-on experience with AI using tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And there you have it, a full course on AI for beginners. We hope this has demystified AI for you and given you a strong foundation to build upon. Remember, learning AI is an ongoing journey. Keep exploring, asking questions, and practicing. And don't forget to check out the resources we mentioned to dive deeper into AI. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also interested in AI. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.